This 5-minute solution will show you how to change payment method of a Facebook ad account. First of all, open your Facebook Meta Business Suite or business.facebook.com, and here make sure to select your business account. Now click on All Tools and click on Billing and Payments. And here select Payment Methods. And here you will get all of your connected payment method. If you click on this three dot, click on Edit. Basically, here is no option to edit or change the payment method. So to change your payment method, you have to add another payment method. So click on Add and select here your country, region, and select your currency. And here select debit or credit card and click on Next. And all you have to do is just enter here your card informations and click on Save. Once you've added a new payment method, now you can delete your old payment method by clicking on Remove. So this is how we can actually change our payment method on Facebook ad account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.